I can smell Wi-Fi. It smells like French fries and evil.
Where's my skin? Where is my skin? How am I supposed to reunite?
I'm photosynthesizing emotions.
Note to self, never drink anything that glows or hums or tries to open itself. Smash that like button before my heart does. Drop a comment if you want to see us survive another product, and hit subscribe for more cryptid chaos.
Send this to the person most likely to ask you for bail money. Stay feral, goobers. Branch out.
Is it still recording? Did I break the... Oh, it's upside down.